Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. Recently, we have completed a tutorial series about steel structure design by using Etabs 2016. Okay, so the procedure of Etabs 2016, 17, 15, 18, both the same. They have no difference actually between them. Okay, so uh, from that lecture, I'm just going to show that how we'll design a warehouse by using a roof truss. Okay, actually here I'm using roof truss like that, and this is fin roof truss and compound fin roof truss. Now the question is why we use these types of roof truss, right? Why use these types of roof truss? We use that types of roof truss cause when we have no requirement or we no need any disturbance in the span of our structure. I mean, we deserve that or we want that. We need some support at that end and that end. In that two ends, I mean, and we need a long span without any disturbance. And where is these types of structure are required? Suppose you need to make a stadium, basketball stadium, or a swimming pool, etc., etc. Then what you will do actually, right? What you will do actually? Will you give a pillar on the middle of the field? So that's not possible actually. And even we need a stress house, and also for industrial work or industrial building. So in that types of work we use roof truss. I mean these types of truss, okay, so that we can use I mean we can get a long span. So for that structure I will use 15-meter long span. Okay, 15-meter long span. So can you believe that this is a huge distance? Okay, this is a huge distance, 15 meter. That means almost almost 50. Okay, almost 50 feet distance between one span to another span. So why we cannot do that by using RCC? Because if we try that by using RCC, then it will be very uneconomical. So if you see on the girder of bridge, so there you will see that engineer use different types of pre-stress girder. So actually, and its size is very high and its cost is so much, and that's not bearable a simple public or a uh, simple man, and these types of work only can be done by the government. Okay, so that's why to reduce the cost and to make a structure or a warehouse economical, we go for the types of work. So first of all, for that types of work I'll just open Etabs. So here Etabs 2018 and here Etabs 2016. So I'm going to use Etabs 2016, and I'm again telling you that the procedure of Etabs 2016 and 18 both are same. Even in 17 both are same, right? So I'm just going here Etabs 2016, right? So first time I'll just double click here to open our software. And before starting, I'm just requesting you, if you're a civil engineer and also if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. When I'll upload a new video, then you will get the update. So first of all, when we are here, then I'll simply go here, new model. Okay, I'll click new model. So when I'll click new model, then I will use here use built-in setting. So here I will use US customary display unit. Which types of unit you want to use? I will use US customary. You can use metric. Okay, metric here, and here the steel section database. Okay, I am using AISC, I mean American Institute of Steel Construction, but you can use any other design code from here. Okay, I mean, sorry, it's not design code, this is steel section database. So actually, which, according to which country code you want to take your steel database, so from here you have to select that, right? So when it's here, right, when it's here, now from here you can select according to country database. So I'm just taking here, so AISC 14 M. So what is the meaning of M? The M means your all data will be shown here in millimeter, right? I mean your section database will be in millimeter. So after that, steel design code. Okay, here is still design code. What will be the still design code? I am using still design code AISC 36010, and you can use as per your country. They have many options as per your country. Okay, as per your country code, but I am using here AISC 36010. And after that, concrete design. Concrete design. So actually they have no requirement of concrete design, but for base plate design we need concrete. That's why I'm selecting SA. Always I prefer to use that code. So here, when it's done, then I'll simply click OK. Now here is our important thing. Okay, here is our important thing. So if I open PDF, so we need two line, here one, here on, and here on in X direction. Okay, so in X direction I'll take 3 girder, and what will the spacing of girder in X direction? So from here I am just giving spacing, sorry, 7.5 meter. Okay, 7.5 meter, and when I am giving 7.5 meter, then it's a converted automatically. Just see here, it's a converted automatically as per your requirement. Okay, and what will be the number of grid line in Y direction? So I'll just consider I need 6 spacing. Okay, and here I'm just giving here 6 spacing. That means I need 7 girder, I mean 7 line, and its distance will be here. And for our work facility, I'm just giving here a exact value 24. Okay, I'm just giving here 24 feet, and spacing in Y direction. Okay, what about the spacing in Y direction? I'm just giving here 4 meter, right? So 4 meter means 13, so I'm just giving here 13 point something, so I'm giving here 13 meter, right, for our work facility. Okay, so here it's done, and now I'm just coming here, number of stories. So here number of story will be 2, and our topical story height, this is the bottom story height. So you know that for steel structure we have to arrange a separate base plate with a foundation system, so we'll not consider any depth of our steel frame that will be under soil, so it will be over the soil. So here I'm just giving here our the height will be, suppose our height will be 25 feet. Okay, 25 feet like that, or we can consider that is 20 feet. It's up to you actually how we'll consider that. And we can consider what will be the height of your topical height of your roof truss. So I'm just considering our roof truss, height of roof truss will be 6 feet, or I'm just 20 feet. It's much more, but sometimes it's required, so I'm just taking a random value. Suppose I'm taking here 15. Okay, 15, 6 and 2, then everything is okay. Now simply I'll click grid only, then okay. So after that, see here, this is your 3D view, this is your 3D view, and this is your 2D view. So I'm just going to set grid system visibility, sorry, grid system visibility, and here use snapshot object only. Okay, so when it's done, okay, when it's done, now we have to go for define materials properties. So for that, here is the important thing. So first of all, we'll go for define materials property. So from here some materials are already defined. So as you are trying for steel structure design, then I hope you know about all of that properties. But I'm just double clicking here. Just see here, this is the database for steel connection A992 FY50, I mean 50 grade steel, and this is the section of steel. And if you see here, this is the models of elasticity, and if I click here, just see here, this is the value Fi, the minimum yield stress and minimum tensile strength 65 and 50 ksi. Okay, so here like that. So I'll just cancel that, then I'll click OK. And if you click here, this is for river, and this is also for tendon. Okay, so we no need that, we'll just use that on. And this is for concrete. Okay, this is for concrete, and we'll use that on. So okay, then I'll click OK. So our define materials property that are absolutely okay. After that, we'll go for here we'll go for section properties. So for that, first of all, we'll go for frame section. So simply I'll just click here. So for frame section, here they have many section available already, so I'm just going to delete that, and I'll take specifically some sections. So I'll just delete multiple properties from here. First of all, I'll delete all properties from here, and from here I'll delete all except one, because we cannot delete all of the property. Then okay, so here one property are available. Now from here, import new properties. So I'll just go here, types, filter property types. They have many option, so I'll just click all. Okay, then I'll just click import new properties. So from here, from new property, we'll select steel I. First of all, we'll take for our I section, we'll take I section steel I or white flange. Okay, so this is for white flange, and I'll select that option first. And for that, okay, for that option we'll use that is for column, right? We'll use that is for our column section. So I'll simply click OK, and when I'll click OK, it will take all of its database here. So I'm going here, and from sorry, I'll just delete that property, and I'll again click import, then I section, then OK. And from here I'll just go in for W section, right? I'll just go for S1. Here's the W section. I'll go for W section here. So from W section, I'll consider all of W section. Okay, here I'm just going to take that, so it's okay. So here all of our W section is available. So when our all of W section is available, now I will take that W section for column, because if I select one of the section, that I don't know that it is economical or not for our that structure. So when I will take all of that column, and if I define here as a auto column, then it will consider the most economical part for our structure, right? So I just click here, add new property. So from here so from here I will select steel. This is the I or white flange section. So simply I'll click here. Okay, sorry, I'm extremely sorry. So cancel. So add new property. So from here I'll just click here. First of all, you have to select steel I or white flange, then you have to click here auto select list. So I click here auto select list, and from here you are seeing here the all section are available. So I'll simply take here column. Okay, no need to take auto. Okay, column section. So here I'll just select all data from here. I'll select all data from here. Just see here, I have selected all data, and actually maybe that is much more. Okay, so here I'll just select till that section. So I think it's okay, and if need, then we'll go for from the end of the, we can take from that section. Okay, so I'll just go here for all of the section, then add. So here this is your section, and when we'll do that, and you can see that from here by clicking here, it's everything here, everything about that 150 into 25. So the top length, okay, the total depth, what is the total depth from that point to that point? It is 6.29 inch. Okay, this is really it's not a big section. Then top flange width, this is the top flange width, this is the top flange width here, 4.01 that width, right? So here all data are available, so you can see that as per your requirement. Here the section properties, all data are available here, right? So I'm just closing here. So here as per your requirement you can see that, and if you go for a big section, so here show, just see here, here's the total depth 39 inch. Can you believe that each section is 39 inch? This will use for a heavier structure, but we have selected that for our security purpose, because software will automatically calculate, and after that we'll check the software have calculated the economical section or not. If not, then we'll change that. So okay, I'll just cancel. So it is done. Now simply the column, and it is auto selection type, it's still, then auto select, then okay. So this is our column. So we have draw our column. Now we have to go for, now I'll just click here again, import new properties. So I'll click here, and from here for our that section, okay, for our that section, I mean for our, we can take that, okay, box or tube section, we can take that for our rafter, right? Otherwise we can select the pipe section, but I prefer the box section here. Okay, just we can click here for box section. Now from here access, we have to select the box section. Okay, we have to select the box section for it, right? So just simply if you click here, just wait for some time, just see here, its data, it's giving us in inch. It's all data here are giving us in inch, right? So I'm just using that option. This is better for me. Otherwise you can take from here as per requirement. This is for Indian ISB. Just see here, this is 25 into 25 into 2.6. The 25 means 25 millimeter, then 25 millimeter, and its thickness is 2.6 millimeter. So this is the value of it. So I'm just going to ASIMM, just wait for some time. So it's 50.5, then 25.4. so here all data are available. So I'm just going to select here from some data. Okay, okay, it's okay, I think so till that point. Actually you can select any data from here, it's up to you. So when it is done, then I'll click okay. So here also we have added that property. Now I'll click here, add new properties, then I'll click here steel tube. Okay, it's steel tube. Now I'll click auto select. So here all steel tube are available. Okay, so from here I'll just select all those steel tube. Sorry, here the wall steel tube are available here. Now from here, okay, from here just we'll go for rafter. So we'll take it for rafter. Okay, so I'll just add here, and this auto, then is still okay, it's all is okay, auto select, then okay, then I'll click okay. Then so here see here, this is our rafter here available. Now here column are also available. Now we have to draw for our truss. Okay, so for truss I'll take import new properties again. Then I here the channel section, but I will consider the steel angle, right? Steel angle. So I'll just simply click here, and I'll click okay. So I have to take steel angle. So here is the data, right? Here is the steel angle data. Just see here, wall data are available, there's a 50 on 50 on here all data available. So I'm just considering, I'm just taking some data from here. Okay, I'm taking all data from here, still angle. Here everything is okay, then simply click OK. Okay, now I'll just give add new property, then still angle here. Now I'll click auto select. So from here when it's still angle, then I'll Truss. Then from here I have to select from where still angle are available. Just see here, this is the data from L shape. So I have to select all data from L shape here. Actually with the all data of L shape. Again let's check. Okay, after add we can check that yes, here all data are in L shape. So if you need to see any data, show, just see here, this is the data of L shape where every value are available here. So you can see that as per your requirement. I'm just closing that. So when it's done, this is for Truss, auto select, okay, then click OK. So just see here, all of our data we have provided that. Okay, we have provided that all of our data, right? So when we have provided all of our data, after that we have to draw our structure. So I think our video are being very lengthy. Already we have done 22 minutes almost. So in our next video we will start drawing our structure, and after that we'll draw a slab on it, right? So if you think that that's helpful for you, actually I am just making video lengthy and in very detail so that you can understand everything in details. And if you are or actually if you have any confusion after that explanation, you can comment me below or you can mail me directly. Okay, so thank you very much. And if you think that is helpful for you, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon and like our video, share our video, and must leave a comment, because your support is very required for us. Without your support, if you do not support us or if you do not show your support to us, then we'll not be encouraged to do any work for you. So thank you very much. Still stay connected till next video.